all of you go through this question. See this question. Here two lens is there. One is that convex lens and other one is that is a plano concave lens, that is a liquid lens. See this question, it is given that here combination of lens, that means when the convex lens and the liquid lens in contact, that time object and the image is formed 45 centimeter from the surface of the mirror. That means for the combination, the focal length capital F, that is equal to 45 centimeter. Now the refractive index of the lens is given, that is refractive index of the lens we will take it as N1, that is 1.5. Now the liquid is removed and the image is formed 30 centimeter above the mirror. That means now only convex lens is there. We will take the focal length of convex lens is F1 and focal length of liquid lens is F2. So focal length of convex lens F1 we will take it as 30 centimeter. Now why the object and image is coinciding at the same point? Because after reflecting from the mirror, the image is formed at the same place of the object. Here we have to calculate the refractive index of the liquid. That we will take the refractive index of the liquid is N2, that is the question mark. Here the radius of curvature of the lens is not given. So first step is we will take two lenses are in contact, that is 1 by F1 plus 1 by F2, that is equal to 1 by F. From that we will calculate the focal length of the liquid lens F2. Then the next step is find out the radius of curvature of the convex lens. From the lens maker's formula we can calculate the radius of curvature. So we already discussed that refractive index of glass, it is given N1 is equal to 1.5. Refractive index of liquid N2 not given. Focal length of the combination is given. Focal length of convex lens is given. So we know that as the formula of combination of lens, 1 by F is equal to 1 by F1 plus 1 by F2. So from this formula you can calculate 1 by F2 is equal to 1 by F minus 1 by F1. That is 1 by F, that is 1 by 45 minus 1 by 30. 1 is equal to 30 centimeter, that is 1 by 30 is equal to 0.5 into 2 by R. That is radius of curvature R is equal to 30 centimeter. That we got it. Now we have to calculate the refractive index of the liquid. For finding out the refractive index of the liquid, we have to see which lens is there. That is actually which lens is there, that is a plano concave lens. For this lens the refractive index we have taken N2, that we have to calculate. That means the radius of curvature of this lens is equal to the radius of curvature of the convex lens. So for this surface the radius of curvature R1 for the plano concave lens, that is minus 30 centimeter, and R2 is equal to infinity. Again we can use the formula, that is 1 by F2 is equal to N2 minus 1 into 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. We put the value of F2, R1, R2. F2 is minus 90, that is minus 1 upon 90 is equal to N2 minus 1 into 1 by R1, that is 1 minus 1 by 30 minus 1 by infinity. That means it is coming 1 by 90 is equal to N2 minus 1 into 1 by 30. Minus it will be cancelled. It is n2 minus 1 is equal to 1 by 3. That is n2 is equal to 1 by 3 plus 1, that is 4 by 3. The refractive index of the liquid is 4 by 3.